is not
right here.
So what I'll do is I'll upload it to YouTube. That way it doesn't lose any video quality. Lexus RCF, supercharged, 714 to the rear wheels. Got anything to say? Just bumped my head on the seat a few times.
Is that truck up there?
Yeah, I was.
It's something flapping in there.
Yeah, okay.
You see it right there.
Okay.
I was like, what is that noise?
Yeah. That's the motor.
Yo, that don't sound good. Little putt-putt truck.
Yeah. For you. Any other shots you want me to kind of try to get or focus on, or you just cool with the miles per hour in the road?
Yeah, just cool with the miles per hour in the road.
Yeah, gotcha.
I want this guy to get in my way.
So where were you?
There he goes.
So yeah.
That was a little one.
So where were you on the throttle?
About 80%.
Okay. It was pulling super hard, dude.
Yeah, that was in full throttle.
And the thing is for me, I wasn't really focusing on the performance as much so as I was trying to get some good video and stay focused on that. not surprising to me. I feel this all the time, but just at a much lower power level. The way it performs and drives and shit and things like that. There's nothing different. But it pulls hellaciously harder.
Yeah, drivability is the exact same.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like it doesn't feel any different. It feels just like a Lexus.
Right. And because I drive one all the time, I don't notice anything but just massive power.
Yeah.
Loving it. I'm super impressed.
Yeah. It pulls pretty hard.
But it's like we shot up there like nothing.
Yeah. And that wasn't even redlining it. I was shifting it around 5,000-6,000 RPM.
Oh wow. And again, I'm just trying to hold steady on the camera, so I'm not even looking at any of that really. Not only does the motor perform linearly, the car does too.
Yeah.
Even at the higher speeds, we know we're going fast, but it doesn't feel like we're going fast.
Right.
If that makes sense.
Right.
Again, Lexus. So you're gonna have some good long video, man.
Nice. We'll upload that to the RCF owners page so they can.
Yeah, it'll be easier too.
Yeah. Oh, there's a nice Porsche over there.
Wasn't even finished. Oh,
You see it?
you should do a U-turn and run them.
Should I? Should I?
Hey, why not?
Is it an older guy or a younger guy? He's an older dude. Probably gonna want to run. Oh yeah, he probably want to run.
No, he looked.
Yeah. Should I? Alright, I'm gonna go first.
Let's do it. Get it on video.
The light goes
Come on, light.
green.
Come on. Go. Oh, come on.
Oh, he's gone.
You know which way?
No. Yeah, damn. He's gone. I don't know if he got off on north or south. Next time.
9. So I love it, dude.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. But I knew I was gonna be, you know?
Yeah.
But so this is what I'll do. You're going out again, right?
Yeah.
So what I'll do is I'll just walk. ...2015 Lexus RCF, supercharged, 714 horsepower, 714 rear wheel horsepower.